In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Peppa Pig using fondant. First thing we're going to do is make Peppa's really weird shaped head. I've got a ball here of pink fondant and I'm using my hands to make the head into like a cone shape, if that makes sense. Now, when you see Peppa, she always seems to have her eyes on the side of her head. So that's what we're going to do here. Should I close my eyes and never again? When you're working on this, it's going to look really weird, but trust me, it does come together. I'm using some edible paint here to create some catch lights, and I'm just creating those little circles inside the snout area. Never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. To make Peppa's dress, we've got some red fondant now, and we're going to roll it into another cone shape. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. And here I'm just creating a big muddy puddle for Peppa to jump in. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase and everything. You're going to need 2 barbecue skewers to create Peppa's legs. And I've got some yellow fondant and I'm using my finger to push down on one side to create her willy boots. Yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. And because you're only going to see the bottom part of Peppa's legs, I'm just going to put a tiny little pink bit on the top where the willy boots are. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. I'm going to create 2 little indentations here so that Peppa's ears are going to fit in here nice and neatly. And then to create the arms, we're going to use a small snake piece of fondant and we're going to press down on one side. Can't stop. Yeah. Now, because those arms are so skinny, I think it's a good idea to use a cocktail stick to support them. And I'm going to use a cocktail stick to support the wee tail as well. Just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. I'm just creating some splashes here to stick all over Peppa. And that's she.